Greetings, scholars. It's Miss Iredale back for another day of math exploration. Today, what we're going to look at is what is a multiple. You've heard that word a lot in second grade, third grade, but in fourth grade, it really becomes important because we're going to start talking about factoring and common denominators. When you look at that word, kids, please note that the root word that's inside of multiple is multi, as in multiplication. And that right there is your key word to remember. A multiple of a number is the number that you are talking about multiplied by another number. Basically, it means you're going to skip count. And the skip count answers are going to be your multiples. Let's take the number 3, for example. Someone might ask you, what are multiples of 3? Well, pretty easy, kiddos. Take any integer you want. Let's say we just take 1, 2, 3 for simplicity's sake, okay? Multiples of 3 are going to be your answers. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 times 3, you guys know it, 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. So multiples are any number that you can get after you multiply that number by another number or by an integer, okay? So 3, 6, 9 are multiples of 3. Do you see a little bit of a pattern there? Let's go on and do all the multiples of 3 all the way up to 30, okay? So if Miss Iredale said, what are some multiples of 3? You would say 3, 6, 9. Help me, kids. What's the next one going to be? 4 times 3 is 12. What's going to be next? 3 times 5 is 15. Remember, these are all multiples of 3. 3 times 6 is, you got it, 18. What's next? Yep, 3 times 7 is 21. Let me hide that. 3 times 8 is 24. That's another multiple of 3. 3 times 9, 27. And 3 times 10, our last multiple, and I don't have room on the page for it, but it's 30. So if someone asks you what are multiples of 3, you're going to say, I know what a multiple is because it just means I'm skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. All right, I'm going to go on and give you a quick little challenge, okay? What are some multiples of 5? Because you all, if you really think about it, how long have we been skip counting by 5s for? We've been skip counting by 5s since maybe 1st, 2nd grade. So we already know multiples of 5. We just didn't realize that that's what they were called. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Is 500 a multiple of 5? Does 5 go into 500 evenly? That's your question. And the answer is yes, absolutely. 500 is a multiple of 5. Okay, that one was kind of easy. And since I have so many incredibly smart scholars out there, let's do multiples of 6. Let's get your multiplication tables going, okay? So multiples of 6, let's skip count by 6. Holler them out, guys. 6, 12, 18, I can't hear you, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and our last one would be 6 times 10. I'm going to put it down there a little, 60. Remember, multiples associated with skip counting. It's all of the numbers that you get when you multiply that number by another number, okay? Happy learning, kids. Hope this taught you something. See you next time.